So I got this box from Shop.Likha, and I'm excited to do a box opening review for you guys. They are a Filipino company, and all their items are made from the Philippines in fair trade to their artists, so they get paid well. And yeah, let's get started. These are some coconut planters, coconut core planters that I got from them. And here it is. Okay, first of all, I love that they packaged this in a paper bag. They didn't use plastic, which is amazing. Better for our world, right? So this one says made in the Philippines, and it is a mini pig. Let's just oh my god, how cute is this? Look at its spots. It has the most perfect spots, and look at its tail. More spots, and look at its ear. One is literally flat down and one is up. Like, those details are everything. I swear, Filipinos are hella talented. And in the inside, it's lined with, it looks like some sticks, some wood sticks. But how cute! And look at the nose. Oh my god. And it even comes with a little tag. How cute. I love it so much. I think I want to keep this one. But I'm actually doing a giveaway, so whoever wins gets to pick out of these two. Here's the second one. This one's also made in the Philippines, and it is a whale. Oh, is that backwards? No. Okay, so it's look at that blue color. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at how cute. Look at the belly. It's so soft. Look at the eyes, the little beady eyes. Wow. And then, of course, their little name tag. How cute! Oh my gosh. I want to keep both of them. Okay. I can't get enough. Wow, look at these details. So beautiful. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. So the good thing about using coconut core planters is that, first of all, they have a neutral pH level, which is from 6.0 to 6.6, and a lot of plants don't like too much acidity or too much alkalinity, so being neutral is a good thing. And also, not only that, they drain so fast when you water them. Like, I'm gonna show you guys. What should I put in here? Okay, let's put this guy in here. This is Astrophyta mysteria. Oh, you won't even be really even able to see it. Okay. Hold on, I want this to look cute. A little bit, at least. Okay. So I'm gonna water this. Let me do my little pump so you guys can see how quick the water drains out. There it is. Hey. Okay, so I was gonna plant like a plant in here, but I figured I'd just do that another time because I'm actually going to be giving one of these away for my giveaway, and so I don't want to put hella soil in it and ruin the pot. But see, I've already put in a little bit of soil in there. But anyways, the winner is going to be able to pick which one they want to keep. Let me rinse this out. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. No, you're so cute. No.